everyone, this is Kastumbar Aisa from DXV24 Live, and today we're at the Montfort University to attend annual student art show by Funoon Art Group. And here, thousands of students doing amazing art show. Now I'm going to talk with chief guest of this event, Her Excellency Laila Rehal. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm fantastic. I'm so happy, excited because of Funoon annual student event, one of the biggest on the art. And we are here in Academy City. We say really the gathering is unity, humanity and diversity. And this art showcase today we brought for many students, talented, genius and fantastic. I will let you make around and see, because the art, it's not just the drawing or painting, it's sensations, it's feeling, it's emotional and transmitting a touch of humanity too. So I say to Funoon, Shiba and Farah, thank you for this annual student summit. It's amazing.
So viewers, now I'm going to talk with the art mentors from Oman, Hafsa Banu.
I am the art mentor from Oman. My name is Dr. Hafsa Banu. So I have participated even last year, and this is our second edition or the fourth edition of Annual Student Art Show in Dubai. And I have brought the artworks of my students from Oman, 21 being from the special needs and student determination. Altogether 32 artworks. You can see all the artworks over here. It's an excellent theme, an excellent opportunity for our students on the theme of art and innovation. And from Funoon Arts, I'm really glad to be here.
That challenges the boundary of imagination.
So viewers, now I'm going to talk with the founder and director of Funoon Art Group, Ms. Shiva Khan.
Annual Student Art Show, this is the 4th edition. And from consecutive 4 years, every year we double the students. And Alhamdulillah, today we have more than 1,000 students from 50 different nationalities. This is a 2-day event where you will be experiencing a big typhoon of art, filled up with 35 to 40 workshops for the students. We have so many talks, so many things. So all around you can see the platform which has been created where the young talents are there.
When you start the Funoon Art Group, tell me something about it.
We started in 2016 just with the thing that we should give the platform to the emerging artists. Funoon Art was started with that motivation. And now it's almost 8 years and we have more than 15,000 artists in our community. We have given platform and to more than that. Youth Creative Mind Hub was started in 2018 by my son Khanayan Abdullah and his brother Mohammad Uzaifa Khan, both of them, because we want to give them the voice of creativity, voice of innovation, what they can do, how they can come out of the closed environment, how they can express themselves in a better way. And as I'm sure, art is the best way to express, whatever form of art it is.
So viewers, now I'm going to talk with my mentor, Amal Pizdat from Oman.
I'm representing the Scientific College of Design students. I'm assistant professor of fine arts at the Scientific College of Design. They are giving some opportunities to students to participate in international and national exhibitions to show their work and their abilities, and they evolve in the other community.
What's your name? Soman. How old are you? Second. Your school name?
Glendale School.
So this is your artwork?
Yeah.
So let's talk with another artist here today.
My name is Khwahish Punjabi and I am here as an artist and a youth ambassador for the annual Student Art Show, the 4th edition. The title of my artwork is Synthesized Visions. It shows the confluence and the blend that art and innovation form with each other. As they say, creativity is not something we're born with, it is something we acquire. And in a world we live in, technology serves great importance and significance. So, while we move into an era of technology and where machines may take over the world, it is important to cultivate and preserve this creativity in order to show originality and ingenuity.
I have given my painting the name of Limitless Possibilities because I believe that the human mind has unlimited potential.
My name is Aisha, and I made this drawing based on the desert dreams, based on the future in Dubai. So like the skylines and the emulation. This is your artwork. Yeah. So viewers, let's talk with today's speaker, Kiara.
I'm Kiara Kaur, 8 years old. I'm really honored and delighted to be here at the Student Art Show as the Youth Ambassador for the second consecutive year. I really want to thank the amazing Karan sisters, Ms. Shiva ma'am and Ms. Para ma'am for having me here today.
Still out at 10 and everybody is looking great.